Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the resource discussed. Today, we're exploring Morningstar.com, a powerful platform for investment research. Morningstar offers a wealth of information for investors, from individual stocks and mutual funds to broader market analysis and personalized portfolio tracking tools. The website provides in-depth data on a vast range of investment vehicles, helping you make informed decisions about where to put your money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey, Morningstar's resources can be invaluable. Navigating the site can feel a little overwhelming at first due to the sheer volume of data available. However, with a little exploration, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to quickly locate the specific information you need. You can research individual investments by ticker symbol or name, explore different asset classes, and even build hypothetical portfolios to test different investment strategies. Morningstar's analyst reports offer valuable insights, providing expert opinions and ratings on various investments. These reports delve into the fundamentals of a company or fund, analyzing its financial health, performance history, and future prospects. One of the key features of Morningstar.com is its comprehensive rating system. These star ratings, ranging from 1 to 5 stars, provide a quick snapshot of an investment's risk-adjusted return potential relative to its peers. While these ratings shouldn't be the sole basis for your investment decisions, they can be a helpful starting point for further research. Beyond the star ratings, Morningstar provides a plethora of other metrics and tools to assist in your investment analysis. Beyond individual investment research, Morningstar offers tools for portfolio management and tracking. You can link your brokerage accounts to gain a consolidated view of your holdings, track your performance, and even receive personalized investment recommendations. The platform also provides market news and commentary, keeping you up to date on the latest economic trends and their potential impact on your investments. Whether your focus is on long-term growth or income generation, Morningstar.com offers the resources and tools to support your investment goals.